Hey there, so it's Kaz here, and today I'm going to give you a quick breakdown in terms of some of our Google Ads and PPC experience. Before Daniel even joined us, he had already managed over £12 million in ad spend on Google Ads, achieving over 14.3 million clicks across the board, which is all good and well, but of course when it comes to results, we obviously want to see some case studies as well. In terms of experience, we've been working on Google Ads since 2011. In terms of areas or locations that we worked with in terms of accounts, we have started in the UK and we kind of expanded out over various elements of Europe, Australia and other continents throughout that period. Now here are some of the examples of results we've achieved across accounts in the UK, Australia and US just in 2019. So in the first month of managing this account, we managed to reduce the cost per lead by almost 90%. So they're paying huge amounts for cost per lead. Now leads managed to rise from 1 to 16 with the same budget that they started with, an increase of 1,500% in lead volume, and obviously the reduction of cost per lead by 90%. And moving on to another example, in the first month of managing the account, we reduced the cost per lead by 64.51%, and leads with the same budget had rose from 6 to 26 across that period. So an increase of 333% in lead count, while really drastically cutting the lead price by over half. So it's been very effective of a campaign, a small one at that, for this company. A third example where we really managed to crush things was, of course, in the first 2 months of managing this account compared to the previous 2 months managed before we took over. We reduced the cost per lead by 71.36%. So they were managing to basically triple the amount of leads in a sense per lead cost. And so leads managed to rise from 18 to 50, which meant a pretty serious increase in revenue as well for these guys. Moving on to a fourth example. In the first week of managing the account, the cost per lead fell by 98%, which is just huge to say the least. And leads rose from 1 to 95.33. So that meant that they had an increase in lead volume by 9,433%. For every one lead they would typically get before, they now are getting 95. And then moving on to one of our final examples. In the first year of managing this e-commerce account, income rose by 69.998.22, which meant that we basically grow income for this company by $700,000 in the first year. The spend only rose by $12,700 year on year. So if we really kind of look at the numbers, the ad spend rose by 10% ultimately, while the income rose by 65%. This means that there was a real increase of income by 54.91% year on year between our results on the previous work, as well as the results of the agency that managed the account before. So we really kind of crushed and did 10 times better than what the agency that previously managed this account did. Now that's just some of our PPC experience. Of course, we can absolutely take this a few steps further and go into a few more case studies. But if you'd like to make that your campaign and your success, absolutely reach out to us below and we'll make that happen.